Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today what we are going to do is we are going to unbox a wireless mic. Yeah, this one. This is generic wireless mic by Green Arrow, where if you see there are many facilities over here. I'll just be showing you in the unboxing desk how we are going to do. So let's not waste any time and go ahead with that. Okay. So as you see, this is the generic uh, unboxing table which I have, and this is the Green Arrow mic. Over here, there's a 3.5 mm jack, there's a Type C and a lightning port in it, and there are two receivers for it, in which you can go two mics and one receiver. That's called. I mean, this is a receiver and this is a mic. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I would tell you the price of this, but just give me a minute. Let's first check the unboxing experience. And it's a total wireless mic over here, as you can see. So the box is pretty neat. You see, these are the mics, receiver, and they are collar with clips also available over here, which you can just clip on to any surface like in a shirt or anything. And the unboxing is actually a good experience with this. It's very soft and it's come in a safe package, as you can see, with lightning port and everything. And this is the power on button over here. I do not know if power is there. Oh, power is there in the well, good. Okay. And this is the mic. And if I'm not wrong, this would be the charging cable. Yeah, and there's also an adapter over here for Type C again. And that's from here to Type C. Not bad. So this is a very good set over here which you have got. And directly Type C also is there in this. So not bad at all. And this is the charger where, yeah, this one is a gone case with the mic, but I think so it's fixable. Oh yeah, here the screw is not there, but this mic is good over here. I guess it's supposed to come. We just have to put a clip over here, so not a big deal. So we would be testing this out, and this is the charging cable for that. And as you can see, there's a Type C port over here to charge it up. Well and good. So let's go ahead and test this out. So I'm just going to use a Samsung phone for this, and let me just connect this one over here. Okay, it's connected to the mic. Let me search for the screen recorder. Give me a second. Or the voice recorder. Okay, we do have the voice recorder over here. Yeah, save to the SD. Turn off. Now. And this is the mic. So let me try saying something in this mic. And whatever I'm going to say, we are going to hear it again. So what to say? Let me switch on this also. So if you see this green light, that means the mic is on over here. So let me just fix it in my collar and let me record something. Peter got a butter, the butter was bitter, so Peter got more butter, the butter was so bitter, so he put the butter in the gutter. Peter bought a butter, the butter was so bitter, so he put the butter in the gutter. Let's just test it out. I'm not sure whether you can hear this, but let me try. Peter got a butter, the butter was bitter, so Peter got more butter, the was so bitter, so he put the butter in the gutter. Peter bought the butter. The butter was so bitter, so he put the butter in the gutter. Okay. So it does work. It does record also with the wireless mic. So it's all a-okay at the moment. So let me just shut this down. Okay, as you see, it's so simple. Just press the button, it shuts down, and you can just go ahead and take this attachment from this. And about the mic, if you see, it's in the pairing mode now. So just go ahead and switch this off, and it's off. And you can directly connect a USB wire also in this. That's a aux cable to extend the length, and this also chargeable with the charging wire which they are given. So this was the unboxing of the mic which you saw. So let's get back to the main screen over here. So it's very simple mic with just two parts over here, with actually three parts. Just one doesn't have a clip, and we would be able to adjust that, not a problem in that. But we would be able to adjust with this. And so I'm going to use this for my regular use of the recording. So we will be coming to know more about it in the near future. And this mic, you would have been waiting for the price till now. It just came for about 1,800 or something in Amazon. That's if you go ahead and buy one mic, it is 1,400 or something. With discount, it comes to 1,200. But if you buy two mics, like what I have done over here, two mic set, that's for stereo one, you will get it for 1,800 only. And its actual price is 2,400. But there's some sale going on now, and the Great Indian Republic Day sale will be coming now. Even in that, you can try that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like the video, please go ahead and like and subscribe for the channel. That supports a lot. Thank you there. You have a wonderful